This water closet is just a white box. I'm gonna give it a fun makeover today. First and foremost, I'm replacing our standard toilet with the HOROW T38 bidet and toilet combo. I never thought I'd have a dream toilet, but age will do that to you. And wow, is this thing a beauty or what? Thank you, HOROW, for sponsoring this portion of the video. First off, this smart toilet automatically opens the lid when it senses that you're near, and you can tap on the bottom button to open the seat hands-free. It's also temperature controlled to keep your buns perfectly toasty during winter and cool during summer. To add to the hands-free experience, there's a self-cleaning bidet that makes this even more hygienic overall. Psst, there's also a warm air dryer to keep things nice and dry. You don't even have to flush once you're done because it flushes automatically. And 10 seconds after leaving the seat, the smart toilet will begin a 3-minute UV sterilization to keep the bowl as free of bacteria as possible. I also love that the backlight makes it easy to navigate at night, and don't worry, it can still flush during a power outage. I'll leave the link in my video description for you.
Hello! So, I was actually going to create a makeover for the water closet, but then she got sick, and then John got sick, and then I got sick. And then we went on vacation, and it was just like so many things happening all at once, so I couldn't get to the makeover, but it has been a while since we used that toilet. And I'm gonna get the best review for you guys, the most authentic review, because someone has been using it very frequently. Hello, user of this toilet.
It's very like high tech. It feels very automated. So every time I walk in, the lid opens, which is really nice.
It makes you feel welcome, doesn't it?
I feel welcomed. Yes, it's very convenient.
Yeah.
The other thing is that there's this little button that if you kick the button, basically the toilet seat also comes up as well. So
I know, so fancy. Look at her trying to give you a wet willy right now.
Yes.
So funny. What I like about it is that it's actually super hygienic.
Hey, what? Gentle touch. Gentle touch.
This white room was supposed to be all decked out, you guys, but I just don't have the energy for that right now. But anyway, this is super hygienic. It self-cleans. That's what I love about it. And I don't have to worry about forgetting to flush, as embarrassing as that sounds, because it auto flushes and everything. When you turn the light off, there's a light in the back.
Oh my god.
John's still getting smacked. Is she abusing you?
Yeah, she is.
Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to go, but I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Bye! On to the next room.